Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of John and Laura. So today we're going to be showing you how to make a non-toxic slime. First, you need natural fiber supplements, a spoon, a bowl, half a cup of hot water, a fridge, and a microwave. So, first, you do 2 spoonfuls of the natural fiber supplements into a half cup of hot water. You stir continuously until it is dissolved. Then you take it over to the microwave. Okay, so after we put it in, now see how it's already starting to form? So now we're going to take it over to our fridge and put it in. Okay, so here it is after that time. As you can see, it really formed into a slime. I suggest using a little more water than we did, maybe 3/4 a cup, but here it is. I think it's pretty good. Very slime-like. But careful, it's still a little hot, even after being in the microwave for 5 to 10 minutes. I think this one was in for 15. So, stay tuned for weekly videos. This is another video by John and Laura.